Hi guys, I gave a sneak peek of this the other day on my Facebook group and I just want to share with you what I'm up to. This will be my first for purchase printable. Now, I still plan on making free ones 100%, but Mama needs to make some money, okay? All right, I need a little money. It costs me money to run, I got to pay my website every month. I'm running out of space. I have 3 Google Drives full of print PDFs, and I have an external I had to buy. It's just I'm incurring, my little hobby here is costing me money. So I need to make a little extra. So I found this adorable artwork on it's by Anna's Creations. I bought it on the Hungry JPEG. And I made a 2-page printable for you guys. And I'm going to show you the difference between why this is going to be worth your $3 as opposed to what you get for free. Now, I put a lot of the same work and time into doing the free printables, okay? But you only get 1 page with that. Here, with this download, you're going to get 2. And you're going to be able to download this as many times for your own personal use as you want. I just want to show you really with this layout. And I tried to put as much graphics as I possibly could on a full sheet of paper so you could get your money's worth. Some of these are a lot simpler, like this, that can be used in other layouts. They don't have to go with the Yorkie, although the colors all match. These little half boxes as well, these little functional boxes, they can be used in other layouts. Like I said, you probably have enough here for 2, but I'm going to show you what I did, and then you'll see. So, let's go over real quick what you get. So you'll get 8 deco boxes and 8 full-size functional boxes. Okay, you'll get all of these little tiny banners. Aren't they cute? Look at those little guys. Okay, you'll get those little banners. You'll get the 4 half box functional, and you'll get this little sidebar. Right? On the second sheet, this looks a little confusing, but it really isn't, okay? So here you get your date covers, and then you get 3 little extra covers here. Right? Then you get 3 of the washi strips here. Those are going to cover these. All right, so this side of the page is Thursday through Sunday. That's the one that has the 4 boxes. That'll cover that. And then you get 3 more for the other side. Then you get 2 larger. These are half inch ones. These are also if you want a wider washi strip. Okay. You get your little checklist here. Then you get these little guys here. Now you got 3 here. $2 Tuesday is important and to do. Then you get 5 little boxes here. These can be used for like tracking, meal prepping, what you had for dinner, what you had for lunch, whatever you want to put there. Then of course your little weekend guy. These 2 cover the big, if you're one that likes to cover this big bottom piece, here you've got for the left side and then the right side. 5 work boxes, and then 5 plain boxes, and then these are 3/4 size boxes. Okay, so this isn't the half size. This is 3/4 of a full deco box. Okay, so I'm going to show you here what I did, and I fully jam-packed this. Okay, look at that. So obviously you may not want to put as much stuff, and I know I'm a little crooked here, so don't be looking too closely. You may not, I was just trying to show you, and this didn't even use all of it. I still had pieces left over. So you can use it, to make like a couple of them, like I said, if you want to do a deco every other box and then a functional in between, however you like to do your fun little layouts. With 1 printout, which is 2 sheets, okay, you'll have enough to do 2, 3 of them if you want. And if you're like me and you find one that you really love, I tend to use them over and over. I love these little guys peeking over the edge there. So I hope you support me. I'm going to put these on my Etsy shop. It's going to be a download. There's no physical kit or anything sent to you. It'll be a digital download. Like I said, I do have an extra set here that I do plan on giving away here in a little bit later. But yeah, thank you for your support. I love you guys. Bye.